In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for a startup from day one. If you're setting up your startup operations and want a simple way to organize product work, team collaboration, and priorities, Jira can be a great place to start. The key is to keep things practical and lightweight in the beginning, so your system helps your team move faster instead of creating extra complexity. First, create your Jira workspace. Start by signing up or logging in to Jira. Once you're in, click on Projects, then choose Create Project. Jira will ask you to select a template, and this is an important early decision. If your startup is focused on product development and planned cycles, Scrum is a strong option. If your team needs more flexibility and wants to move work continuously, Kanban may be a better fit. After that, give your project a clear name, something simple and descriptive like Startup Product, so everyone immediately knows what it's for. Next, set up your team members. Open your project, go to Project Settings, and then People. From there, add the people who will be working in Jira. As you add them, assign roles based on how they'll contribute. For example, you might have a project admin to manage settings, developers to handle implementation, a product manager to guide priorities, and contributors for supporting work. Setting roles early helps avoid confusion and makes collaboration smoother as the team grows. Now create your first backlog. Open the backlog view and begin adding issues that reflect your startup's current priorities. These can include product features, customer requests, bugs, and business tasks. For example, you might add items like building a user sign-up page, adding payment integration, or fixing a mobile login issue. The goal here is to capture the work that matters most, so your team has a shared list of what needs attention. After that, organize work with epics. Create epics for your major startup goals, such as MVP development, marketing launch, customer feedback, or platform improvements. Then link related tasks and stories to each epic. This gives your team more context and makes it easier to see how individual tasks contribute to bigger outcomes. Next, set up a simple workflow. Go to Project Settings and then Workflows. Use a straightforward process like Backlog, To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. Try not to add too many statuses early on. A simple workflow is easier for everyone to understand and keeps work moving clearly from start to finish. Then prioritize your tasks. Open the backlog and drag the most important issues to the top. Focus on customer value, revenue impact, product goals, and urgent problems. This helps your team stay aligned on what deserves immediate attention. Finally, track startup progress using Jira reports. Use the burn-down chart to monitor sprint progress, the velocity chart to understand team delivery speed, and the dashboard to get an overall view of the project.